Today we're going to talk about polynomials. Our objective is we will draw algebra tiles to model polynomials. What is a polynomial? Well, it's an expression whose terms are monomials. We've seen monomials before. They are terms that have exponents, variables, and integers or numbers. Here are three examples of monomials. Our first polynomial is 6x minus 5. We're going to use these algebra tiles to help us model 6x minus 5. The first two tiles represent x squared. The rectangles represent x and negative x. And then you're already familiar with the integer tiles, which are negative 1 and positive 1. To represent 6x, we're going to use 6 positive x tiles. And to represent minus 5, we're going to use negative tiles to represent negative 5 or minus 5. And here we have modeled 6x minus 5. Let's try it again. Our next polynomial is negative 3x plus 5. So instead of using the positive, we're going to use our negative x, and we're going to use 3 of them to represent negative 3x. To model 5, we're going to use 5 of our positive integer tiles. And there we go. Negative 3x plus positive 5. Number 3, you'll notice that we have 3 terms, or 3 monomials. And the first one is 3x squared. Notice it's positive, so we are going to use 3 positive x squares to represent 3x squared. We have 5 x's, so we're going to use the positive x to represent the 5x. And we have 2, and so we're going to use 2 positive integers, tiles, to represent 2. And so we now have modeled 3x squared plus 5x plus 2. Let's do one more before we go on our own. So this first one, I don't have a number in front of it, but I know that this is x squared, so it must mean there's only one. And then we have negative 3x, so we're going to use 3 negatives to represent or model 3x, negative 3x. And then we have 2 positives. So we have modeled here x squared minus 3x plus 2. On this next one, what I would like you to do is to do this one on your own. So pause the recording, draw the tiles to model this expression, and come back and check to see if you're right. Do we match? I hope so. Let's do another one. Go ahead and try to represent this one. Do the same thing. Pause the recording. Go ahead and model it and come back and check your answer. Did you get the answer right? Remember, it doesn't matter what order we put the algebra tiles as long as we are modeling what we see. Go ahead and look at these 4 expressions and draw or model your polynomials with the algebra tiles by drawing them. Make sure that you do them and do them neatly and bring them to class tomorrow. We'll be going over them. Now here's a think about question to bring with you tomorrow. How can modeling the following polynomial help to make this expression look different? You see here negative x squared plus 5x minus 4x plus 3x squared. I can model this. It's easy. I already have done it before. But I think there's something I can do to make it look different. So think about it and bring it to class tomorrow, and we will go over this and discuss it and try some new ones with what you've learned. See you tomorrow.